Many people believe that gasping means the person is still breathing. It doesn't. After cardiac arrest, some people make occasional gasping sounds. This is called agonal breathing. Agonal breathing is not normal breathing. It is a sign that the brain is no longer getting enough oxygen. Waiting because you think they're breathing can delay life-saving CPR. If someone is unresponsive and only gasping, call emergency services, ask for an AED, and start chest compressions immediately. Please check tomorrow for CPR myth number 3. And for guidelines on CPR, follow Medicine Curiosities. 30 seconds that could save your life.